Hello everyone, this is next in the series of image to diagnosis under fetal medicine. This is the 21 weeks fetus, and these are the images of significance. Rest of the fetus was normal, and what is the anomaly you were able to pick up? This case scenario is to highlight the doctrine in law called res ipsa loquitur, importance of multiplanar imaging, comparing with the normal fetus, and thus 3D help really in this case, and the importance of literature search. So, if you'd like to see the workup of this scenario, please log on to shonoshare.in and see the 39th scenario in fetal medicine under image to diagnosis. Thank you.